viewers, for the next 30 minutes, you will be with me, Mayang Rahima Ihsan, in the Breaking News program, discussing actual and reliable news. The latest news has happened. Hit and run truck case in Tangerang. A hit and run incident involving a wingbox truck occurred in Tangerang, causing injuries to a number of road users. This incident sparked public attention as it concerns road safety and driver responsibility. The incident took place at the Tugu Adipura roundabout street Veteran Sukasari, Tangerang City at around 16 Western Indonesian time on Thursday, the 31st day of the 10th month of the year 2020. Based on information from the police, the truck initially hit the rear bumper of a Suzuki Ertiga car that was stopped at a red light. Instead of stopping, the driver fled and sped his truck towards Cipondo at high speed. The escape resulted in collision with several other vehicles before the truck was finally stopped by residents at the Tugu Adipura roundabout. The investigation revealed that the driver, who was the current of the truck, did not have a driving license. Furthermore, an urine test showed that the driver was positive for the methamphetamine. In addition, police found evidence of methamphetamine in the truck. 7 people were reported injured, including 4 motorcyclists, 1 car driver, and 1 pedestrian. One of the victims suffered serious injuries to his legs and face. Another victim, a parking attendant, suffered head injuries after being hit by collision. After treatment at Tangerang District Hospital, the driver recovered and underwent intensive examination. Based on the available evidence, the police named the driver as a suspect. The driver, charged with Article 311, Paragraph 2F4, Junta Article 312 of Law Number 22 of 2009 concerning road traffic and transportation, with a maximum penalty of 10 years in prison of a fine of up to 20 million. Police will also investigate the involvement of other parties, including the truck owner, to ensure compliance with legal provisions. That information closes our meeting at this time. I, Mayang Rahima Ihsan, say goodbye and see you soon.